My name is Aaron, and this will be my response to discussion number 8. The question is, find a new story online having to do with conflict and negotiations in business. Tell the class the story and be sure to point out how chapter material reflected the story. Can you make any suggestions resolving the conflict or facilitating negotiations based on the chapter's material? So I chose the title China investigates U.S. tech giants Qualcomm after it bought Israel company. So the summary of this is Qualcomm, a U.S. company that makes computer chips, bought another company, Autotalks, and it expands its business. This deal was approved in the U.S., but China later opened an investigation saying it might hurt competition. Many believe that this move really part of a bigger trade tension between the U.S. and China. And I wanted to point out 3 points. So the first one, the type of conflict is inter-organized conflict. This is between two organizations, Qualcomm, a private company, and China's government agency, and it's about controlling companies and how they operate across borders. This is how the chapter defines inter-organizational conflict and different goals leading to tension. The second one is going to be source of conflict, which is different goals and scarce resources. So the Qualcomm wants to grow and make a scale sales globally. China wants to protect its market and reduce dependence on foreign tech. So both are fighting over control and valuable technology. And this relates to the chapter based off the competition cause conflict in business, just like examples from production versus marketing. And then the last one is how to resolve and use collaboration and integrative negotiation. Instead of seeing this as like a win-lose fight, distributive, it's both sides could work together to collaborate. Like an example could be if Qualcomm could agree to open offices in China and share technology locally to show like good tensions. This will relate to the book and the collaboration with a leader and how the outcomes could be trusted to build both parties and their needs. So foreign relations like this, to where both countries want to be equal in their economic power and not rely on one another, but also be able to establish their tech to where they're not relying on one another for trade. So this is my response to discussion number 8. Thank you.